Hi, I'm Yasar Tecim, General Manager of Volkan Firefighting Vehicles Company. Welcome to Volkan World Headquarters. Now we are inside our inspection and acceptance hall, where we are making the deliveries of our vehicles to our customers. Today we are going to learn more about Lion class airport firefighting vehicles. Here we have one piece of engineering manufactured, designed and tested at this facility. This is the version of 8x8 of the Lion class, and there are 6x6 and 4x4 versions of this vehicle. This is the biggest one, which has twin powertrain technology inside and the spacious crew cabin. Let's go at some details on the vehicle. We can start with the turrets, which are the main features of an airport firefighting vehicle. Here we have a 9,000 liters per minute capacity roof turret and 2,500 liters per minute capacity bumper turret.
Great.
The vehicle is entirely made of GRP composite lightweight materials. The importance of the lightweightness of this vehicle is seen on the track when we need acceleration and agile driving. The cabin itself is made of monocoque sandwich composite and fully tested and according to ECE 29. All the wind glass and the side glass are high durability, which is giving a protection in case of any blast or explosion nearby the vehicle. This version of the vehicle has a fully automatic doors, but we have also a hinge type version. And the vehicle tires are varying according to customer requirements, starting from 16R20 to 24R21 wide base, 445 90 R20 and off-road. Our has a complete chassis system designed and manufactured by in this facility. Full lockable diffs and this for the superior off-road capability. And suspension system is designed to fulfill the latest requirements of the NFPA 414, which is helicoil suspensions with dual shock absorbers. In the middle of the vehicle, with a good weight balance, we have agent tanks, water tank, foam tank, and dry chemical pump. On the back of the vehicle, the massive twin powertrain technology is located. In this version, we have Euro 6 engine, two Euro 6 engines, which is each 625 horsepower. And we have another version, which is each 770 horsepower. So this gives us a massive acceleration. When we are talking about 21 seconds of acceleration from 0 to 80 kilometers per hour. And of course, with this much power, we need heavy-duty brakes. Then we have disc brakes on the vehicle, full air disc. When we need, we can accelerate and we can go fast and we can stop fast, which is important also while we are driving on the runways and making sharp turns. And when we need agile driving also on the... And everything is designed for the ergonomic of the firefighters. Here we have hand lines, hose reels, one hose reel for the dry chemical powder and one hose reel for the water and foam. Here we have the suction line, and here we have two fire hose lines, and here we have the control and the gauges for the pressure, and also the gauge for the dry chemical powder pressure. For the ease of swing. We can swing the hose, and when it is easy for the reaching to the fire. And each hose reel has 30 meters of length. And here we can see on the whole electric rewind, and also we have a cleaning line for both hose reels, especially for the water hose reel. It is possible to drain entire fluid inside the hose in order to protect it against frost on winter. This vehicle is designed to serve in any continent, in any weather condition. We are talking about minus 35 centigrade up to 60 centigrade. So cold or hot, doesn't matter. Our duty is important, and we should serve to do it in the best way. So we can continue to open the. Here we can see the piping of the pump, and we can see the pump over there is red. Let's have a quick look for the engine side. And by the way, by these covers, it is possible to easy access for maintenance. Here we have a small locker to put our lifting jack, might be. And when we come to the back side of the vehicle, we have an access ladder for the roof access. So it's easy to get on board on the vehicle. And here we have the handle for the beam gantry for the extension ladder. This is a manual version, but we also have an option for a air-operated version, which we can get easily our access ladder or ladders, not only one. And we have two towing hooks on the vehicle, and also station supply, which is very important. As we know, these vehicles are mostly standing still in the station, and we are using electricity even while the vehicle is waiting. So here we have a 380 volts of station supply, which is feeding the tank heaters, engine preheaters, and air compressor to feed the air line of the vehicle. And here we have big air vents for this massive cooling of this engine. And we have the warning red or blue as per your requirements, and also the driving lights for the vehicle, automotive side. So let's continue on the right side of the vehicle. And we have almost the same covers for the engine and for the pump. And also here what we have is the supply lines for the foam tanks, external foam suction, and also foam filling line. As you see, it is very nearby in a reachable area, so you don't have to go up or climb somewhere. It is ease of access. Here we have the fuel filling cover. It's also located in a reachable area. This vehicle has a 400 liters of fuel tank capacity, and the tank is located under this cover. Here we have another hose reel for the water and foam, and also the control panel to control the pump. And here we have the suction line, external suction line, and also we have fire outlets, two fire outlets located here. Of course, with the different combinations of couplings. This is the version with the BS336. And we have the fire hoses over here, and water tank supply, hydrant line, one this side and one on other side, or two on this side or two on other side. This is an optional feature. You can see that this vehicle is going to Maldives. to Gan International Airport. So the destination of this vehicle in couple of is Maldives. We have different color options. This is a red one, and we also have a yellowish green or some specific customer required options is possible. And over this vehicle we have also a rear axle steering system. As you know, this is a wide and long vehicle, and we need to maneuver easily, especially on the runway or on the parking areas in the airports. So this vehicle has a turning radius of 36 meters with this length of almost 13 meters. So it is important, it's an option. If you are willing to buy such vehicle, you should consider about rear axle steering. Let's go and see the feature, the cabin, what we have inside the cabin.